Hi, myself Swati Khurana. Today I did a workshop for DPS Bijnor where more than 50 teachers participated, and the topic of the workshop is implementation of critical thinking curriculum that CBSE has suggested. NEP also talks about it. Considering how the education is evolving, a lot of AI tools are getting used. What we are missing on nowadays is the critical thinking that needs to be developed within the classroom. That is why thoughtfully we decided on this topic, and throughout the workshop it was thoroughly interactive. A lot of activities were done. Teachers participated well in activities like think, pair, share. They also created newspaper headlines, posters, advertisements showing why critical thinking is necessary in the classroom. Not only that, they also recreated traditional questions, how to inbuild critical thinking by reframing the questions, right? So it was an altogether a good workshop, quite engaging, and thank you for this opportunity.
Hi, my name is Soumya Vishnoi. Today I attended a workshop on implementation of critical thinking in curriculum. The session was quite interactive and informative. Today I gained some real valuable knowledge that I'm surely going to implement in my work. Thank you.
I have attended a workshop on the topic critical thinking in our school. So this workshop was very interesting and informative. And this we have learned how to engage our students in different activities and enhance their critical thinking with different activities. The session was very informative.
Good afternoon. Today's workshop was very informative. It was really engaging, and we learned various ways how to apply critical thinking in our classroom. So thank you so much, Swati ma'am, for conducting such a nice workshop.
So today we have attended Swati ma'am's critical thinking workshop. In this we have learnt about different activities, how to inculcate critical thinking among the students. So we should ask them what, when, how, where, always in the class, so that this will enhance their critical thinking. So we have also done one activity related to it. Our activity was to make a fake news headlines. In that we have made the headlines of eating chapati will reduce diabetics. So in this, the students will think critically about the nutrient value of the chapati, and this will lead to critical thinking. Thank you so much.
Hi, so today I got the privilege to attend a workshop in DPS Bijnor regarding the implementation of critical thinking in our classroom by Swati ma'am. We got to know different activities that we can implement in our class. With that, we can engage our students to think critically and actively participate in the class. Thank you.